Yo dudes, this is Logan at Riskless Review, where I test products so you don't have to. So today we're going to be looking at some BTS unboxings. Let's get to it. Today I just got the new Dynamite Single, so got 3 of them here, and it's got all the different remixes and types, so pretty exciting. I got 3 of them because I wanted to do a giveaway in honor of the new BTS album releasing, because I'm always so excited. So I'm going to be giving away 2 of these. So if you want to enter in to win one of these, just like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then leave a comment below on what your favorite track is from the new album, or just your thoughts in general about the new album. I'd love to hear what you guys all think of it. I'm really loving Telepathy and Dis-ease, as well as Life Goes On, the title track, so really enjoying the album. It's definitely got more of that chill vibe at the beginning, and then it kind of ramps up into funk pop at the end, and so definitely a cool vibe for this one. And as usual with BTS, they're always exploring a theme in each album, and so this one I think will fit really well into the whole mix of all the 100+ songs they've got to give new flavor and new dynamics to their portfolio. So really enjoyed this new album. Really love that they worked on and produced so much of it and worked on the visuals and the video, and were all a part of it and really putting their feelings into it. So you can really get a sense of that. So I'll put a link in the description for the official Bangtan TV playlist for the album. In 1 week from today, November 28th, I'm going to be choosing the 2 people, and I'll only be able to send it to people in the US, so make sure you're in the US, otherwise I'll have to choose somebody else. So again, this is a giveaway. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite tracks were. Talk to you soon.